Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens. Their ICO is live today and runs until January 29th.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. This is Snake Crypto Somniac, and the markets are going crazy. Let me throw up your comments up here. Just give me a second here. We'll just throw up your comments up on here, and we are good. Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? Terry, Yogesh, Kaleem, hello. Welcome back, guys. Let's just dive straight into it. Topic of the day is cryptocurrencies under $1. Cryptocurrencies under $1 that are just going to explode, I think, in 2018. So let's just go through the ranking. I mean, I think that's by far the best analytics that you could possibly use right now. So at number one right now, we're sitting with Ripple right here, 85 cents. Not the most excuse me, not the most bullish on it, but it's a very good hedge against BTC in general, right? It's a centralized for banks by banks cryptocurrency. And welcome to everybody on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Welcome. We're just went over number one, which is Ripple right now, and we'll go over the charts through all of them as well. Don't you guys worry. Cardano is sitting at number two. A little bit more bullish. I am on Cardano than Ripple because, first and foremost, it's a decentralized dApp ecosystem or a platform, as they like to say. And platforms are, just absolutely, I think, superior to almost every other cryptocurrency with a use case or not, because they pretty much enable ICOs and decentralized applications to really be ran upon these. So pretty good, pretty decent buy choice. Now EOS was sitting at under $1 when I picked up a lot of it. Don't you guys wish you could just go back in time and pick up some EOS at under $1? Those were the good old days. Stellar, another centralized cryptocurrency. Again, they're pretty much partnership heavy right now, with IBM and Microsoft being really huge partners. Neo was sitting at under $1 when I was picking that up as well. Again, don't you wish it was time to get lower and lower and higher now? It's just so ridiculous where we are right now. Just amazing, the movement that we've had. Tron is pretty much partnered with the Chinese Spotify. Now, if you can imagine that, it is pretty hard to imagine. I mean, Spotify, so used. I think it is the number one streaming service in the United States and in the West in general. But in Asia, it's not. And Tron is partnered with really big heavy hitters there. So absolutely amazing things coming out from Tron. Huge gains in the recent history here. So we'll take a look at that. Don't you guys worry. Now Verge, and I'm not even going to go through Bitcoin. I don't really believe in Bitcoin whatsoever. I'm just not a big fan of Bitcoin. Now Verge, on the other hand, offers some privacy features going forward. So pretty cool stuff coming out from Verge as well. Some really cool things got you coming out from Verge as well. Now, hold on here, guys. All right. Muted. All right. Sorry about that. Now, Verge, privacy features, Wraith protocol. John McAfee loves it. I mean, why wouldn't you want to buy some Verge right now, right? Obviously, it's super run up. This is not a recommendation to buy Verge. I've actually been shorting it. I bought back in April, so I am sitting pretty nice on Verge here. Status, again, another decent use case, but again, I think Kick ICO, or the Kick platform, the messaging app, and we're over 300 million users already, and they have an ICO called Kin. So direct competitors. I don't know if I would feel strong about suggesting Status in my top dollar coins under $1. not my favorite going forward so far. Again, guys, leave me a message in the crypto live stream in the YouTube chat, and I will get to it as soon as I can. And again, I'll be checking periodically on Facebook. Let me just refresh this on Facebook and see if you guys have any comments on here as well. Again, let me know if you guys want or need anything, and I will try to go over the charts and look with you guys. Okay. Now, Kyber, wow, we were just sitting at under $1. It's pretty ridiculous. I think that just the market is just exploding right now. Now, BAT again, I'm pretty bullish on BAT in general, but it is looking fantastic. Now, Icon, somebody from Instagram said ICX Icon, or I think Icon. I wish I would have gotten to that ICO. I did not. Disclaimer: I did not. I wish I did, but I just couldn't get in. I mean, I tried to get into the Civic ICO as well, and I just couldn't get in. Everyone shed a tear for me, but don't worry, because I did get into QTOM, so we're sitting good there today, aren't we? BitBay, actually, I suggested this to the Moon Lounge at 500 Satoshis, around 505 Satoshis exactly, I think. And now we're seeing double our money within a week, so sitting pretty nice in BitBay as well. BitBay is like a decentralized Craigslist going on there. Little shady things coming out of there, but it's still hitting its roadmap objectives, still doing fine. Request Network, we're gonna actually have a video on Request Network coming out. Absolutely amazing partnerships. You should be accumulating that Request Network if you haven't already, or you should have a small position into Request Network. Absolutely amazing things coming out of Request. Now, wow. Okay, so Sonam finally seeing some light here. I've been shilling this coin since it was, 5-6 cents. I got into the ICO. I think it's way better than Golem. Don't buy on shills, guys. Don't buy on any sort of YouTube shills or whatsoever. And I am reading the Twitter. All right, hello. How much is Ripple right now? Ripple, you could go to cryptosomnic.com and you could check out Ripple, guys. It is at 85 cents. So that was a comment I got. So, and I'm just going to go over the top 200 because I think it is important to take a look at that. Now, Kin as well, like Kin, there's not even, it's like less than 0.00001 cents. So, I don't think you're missing out right now by not investing. Excuse me, I got the hiccups for some reason. Anyways, so we're sitting at all these. Pura is something I'm looking at. Substratum, of course, decentralized internet. Now, what is decentralized internet? It's internet on the blockchain, essentially, right? So it's encrypted internet. This is very big for us in America. Maybe not everywhere else, but in America, our freedoms are almost going to be taken away by ISPs and greedy banksters, pretty much. So ISPs, internet service providers, they no longer need to be net neutral. So again, I think it'll be fine in the long run. I think competition obviously solves everything. Look at the cryptocurrency space. I think it's healthy with competition, right? We're seeing surges in prices that we've never seen before. And, but in the short run, we may be seeing some hits to the free market exchange that we're used to in America. But Substratum is there to fill in anything that, seems a little bit iffy with the United States government. And, I'm glad it is there because why not? Why not? A perfect use case here on the blockchain here on Cryptosomniac and the crypto space in general, right? Pretty amazing stuff. Syndicator, another good one. Another good cryptocurrency. It's rising in the ranks slowly, but look at that, guys. That's amazing. 100 million market cap, 66 million traded today, 114% up. Huge gains from Syndicator. Huge gains coming from Syndicator. Now, I know it's not under $1, but you guys should totally be looking at Wabi. So Sam just did a video on Wabi. Go check it out. We're super bullish on it. It's one of the only ones that are down right now. So check it out, guys. I mean, could it be a lucrative investment? Possibly. Hint, possibly. So yeah. So that's basically what I'm going through. Yo W. So use your words, or you own your own words rather. Sorry, you own your own words. That's another good one. Again, this is going to take a lot of partnerships to go on. Qcoin coming out of nowhere here, 90 cents. So absolutely amazing stuff coming out here. Again, there's nothing wrong with these coins under the 100 mark, right? There's nothing wrong, but I would just keep in mind that you want to make sure you do your research. Like don't go all in on TNT Tyrion, because there's other data integrity things coming out of there, and don't go all in on Humanic, because banking the unbanked is not working out well for Humanic right now. I mean, it's just there's so many competitors out there, so very, very colluded space here. So they really have to really find their niche and explode that way. But just a lot of these, like another gaming coin, First Blood. Like, am I really bullish on that? Too much competition could drown out the market there. But again, it is good to take a healthy amount of risk. So if you do believe in these riskier coins, I mean, like look at Centra. I mean, I've been hanging on to Centra. It's been getting hammered so far. Like if you go to the Hot Stories feed here, you can check out the Hot Stories feed. They have a class action lawsuit going against them. Actually, they may have failed the Howey test, and the Howey test is to determine whether your token. This is very, very, very important. So pay attention, guys. The Howey test is to determine whether your token is categorized as a utility or a security. Sorry, utility or a security, guys. Utility or security. So there's two ways that it can be categorized. And if it's if the token is categorized as a security, it can no longer be marketed or sold, or you have to have a KYC or something very extreme for United States, Singaporean, and Chinese customers, right? And there's always that disclaimer that SEC is the Security Exchange Commission. That's why securities really need to be placed there. Now, someone's asking me Kyber right now. Question mark. Now, Kyber actually is over $1. So if you missed that, I'm sorry, but Kyber is quite over $1. I think it's sitting at $3 now. We've been giving away Kyber, and we're almost all out of Kyber here, so we may be giving away some Tron now. Now, Tron, again, another huge bull run going on with Tron, and we decided, I think we may move over to Kyber. Wager's another big one I'm bull on, but again, little shady things coming on. They have a fantastic use case, $400 billion sports gambling market there on Wager. I actually invested in the ICO. And invested in the ICO, sitting at 5 cents a pop, and now it's at 32 cents a pop. And so I think I got pretty lucky there, not too bad. But Wager has a release coming out in Q1, I think Q1 2018. Again, Q1 is the first 3 months of 2018. Q2 is the second 3 months, and then Q4 is the last 3, and then Q3 is the third 3 months. So that's how Q1, Q2, Q3 is classified. Red coin. Someone is now saying red coin. That's interesting. That is interesting. I hold a ridiculous amount of red coins. But again, it doesn't sound like much, right? Red coin here. I think it's far-fetched, guys. There's already an IOTA tip bot on Reddit, and I don't think red coin is going to really wow me. So definitely not. Again, that is my analysis here, guys. For the top coins under $1, and we're gonna go over some charts here. And I know you guys want to go over charts. You're always asking me, Snay, when are you gonna go over charts? You're talking too much, so I will definitely go through it. Okay, hey Snay. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for all my loyal viewers. I try to get on the stream every single day, even when I'm out and about. I'm just like, hey, gotta go home. Got a live stream for the viewers, and try to keep you guys updated. I know this is a very volatile market, and today is a good day, and don't expect every day to be like today. Don't expect to see triple digit gains with QTOM or BitBay that we've been seeing. and you should be taking profit on the way up. And that's what I've always said to people. When it's parabolic, don't touch it. But once you start seeing those 15, 30-minute candles, the red candles, you might want to be taking a look at taking some profit. Specifically, maybe not QTUM, because you may be staking it. And, staking is a whole nother ball game there. But, that's interesting. And Instagram saying my hair looks messed up. I apologize for that. I did hop out of the shower and I dried my hair. Sorry about that, guys. XVG. So we're going to look through all these coins here. Don't you guys worry. But first, hello, Steven. Hello, Ashley. Hello, Alex. Hello. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Smash that like button if you do like the content here. And we're going to go over some key critical movements that are going on in the market here. So let's jump into it. I don't want to waste too much of you guys' time. I mean, I know your guys' time is precious, and I really appreciate you guys being here with me and subscribing, and hit that little bell if you're on Facebook. On YouTube, and you'll know when me or Sam go live. Sam and I go live. Sorry, I keep getting corrected on that, and I never learn. So let's try that. Okay, BTC USD. Take me to Coinbase. Looking messy here, right? So we said, okay, we think we're going to bounce off one more time. And guess what, guys? Sure enough, we bounced off one more time. So if you did pick up here in the 1800s again, 18.6, congratulations. I certainly did pick up, and I'm happy with my $200, $300 gain right now. But again, still very volatile market going forward. And this gives us a too close of a view. We're going to look at the 4-hour. 4-hour looking decent, right? I mean, we're seeing some waning resistance here. But we're going to even look a closer look here on the 2-hour. So we are looking at some nice little resistance here on the 2-hour. And we're going to see if we can see that nice little reversal pattern that we're seeing. Very weak cross here going from the 1 hour. Again, not bullish movements going forward here for Bitcoin, but nothing to shy or nothing to cry home or short Bitcoin about. Again, make sure you state your stop losses. We could see a heavy correction going forward, or what I would be actually looking forward to seeing is, it's always interesting to see what the alt markets will do. So if the alt markets are shorted, does that mean a gain for Bitcoin, or are people taking profits from Bitcoin? It's going to be interesting to see what this recent boom is actually going to take place. I mean, this is almost like a delayed CME futures kind of reaction going on. Again, CME futures, we saw the price is already priced in, so that announcement was already priced in, so we saw that, guys. And it's definitely something you want to keep an eye on. I mean, are we going to be seeing those levels back in the 1900s? Are we going to be seeing that, or are we going to be shorting the market one more time? Again, we are at support here, so maybe a decent time to pick up, but the hourly is not looking very great. Let's zoom into the 30-minute. 30-minute not looking too great, so make sure you set your stop losses. We could see a nice little correction coming on here as more money gets flooded into the altcoin markets. So let's keep going through it. All right, so let's go to the ETH/USD, guys. ETH/USD, amazing run. So this was I announced this yesterday. Sorry for being blurry here. I announced this yesterday. This is maybe a controversial view for a lot of Bitcoin maximalists, but I no longer consider Ethereum, ETH. Let's just get this straight. Not Ethereum Classic or anything, because somebody asked me about it. Ethereum. I no longer consider Ethereum an altcoin. So what does that mean? I think Ethereum is too integral of a part to actually be considered an altcoin at this point. I mean, I'm not looking at percentage-wise of total market captured. I'm just talking about the ICOs that are being launched right now, the numerous amount of projects that are going to have mainnet launches on Q2 and Q1 on the Ethereum platform. And I don't even think QTUM, Neo, 88, they don't have too many product launches coming out in 2018. Not even close comparatively to Ethereum. Not even close, right? Again, scalability issues aside, staking aside, upgrades aside, I think Ethereum, if you just look at it, Neo was launched, or Ant Shares at the time was launched on Ethereum. QTUM, before the token swap, was launched on Ethereum. ADA I mean, I'm not too sure about ADA. That's a good point. But the co-founder is from Ethereum, right? The founder of Ethereum, the co-founder of Ethereum, sorry, is the founder of ADA. So, very peculiar things that you want to look out for. This is very, very critical information. I'm trying to get across to you guys that I think Ethereum is a good buy before $1,000. Now, I said in the Moon Lounge that I don't think we'll see 600s again. And I still believe that. Unless we see a major Bitcoin correction, I no longer think that we will see Ethereum 600s again. And, I think in 2018, people will start saying, wow, you bought Ethereum at under 1,000? Congratulations. You bought Ethereum under 1,000. Congratulations. I mean, that's a big moment for you. But again, that's just all hypothetical here. I'm going to go over the logarithmic chart here for Ethereum. I'm going to show you ETH BTC, and I'm going to blow a little minds here, okay? And if you checked out my Ethereum price prediction video, whoa, okay. You may have already seen this here. So let me zoom out here. Let me go to the weekly here, and we're gonna go. So we're gonna go through this chart here, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to hit log scale. So hopefully you guys could see that pretty well. Wow. Okay. Maybe you can't. Maybe there's too much crap going on. Hold on. All right. Let me delete this indicator too. Okay. So hopefully you guys could see that. If you can't, let me know. So this is what the Ethereum log chart looks like. So December of 2015, we saw the hitting in the bottom on Bittrex here, and we saw a massive increase, right? 500% up, or even more than 500% up. I mean, sorry about that. 1,500% up, right? Almost 1,500% up. We went again on, we hit that little support line here going forward, and we hit that support line very strongly, actually, and we actually bounced beautifully off it, and that was December of 2016. Then we shot up 1,300%. Now, you don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe me or any other YouTuber or any other analysis. I'm just looking at historical precedences, right? What happened in the history of Ethereum. Now, we just hit off that support, guys. And where do you think we're going? What does history tell us? History tells us up, right? And right now, Ethereum is still the king platform. We're seeing triple-digit gains on QTUM, and I'm a huge QTUM believer, and we on this channel love QTUM. Go check out Sam's previous videos on QTUM and Neo, and we got a shout-out from one of the actual QTUM founders going forward saying, hey, this is what QTUM actually is, when we got a little bit things wrong. So shout-out to, forget what his name is, but shout-out to the QTUM co-founder there. Absolutely. Great project. You should definitely do your research on it, and we'll be covering it some more today, specifically the price actions. Sonam looking good. Yeah, Sonam's looking fantastic. Now, that's a very good point. So Sonam has a Q1, Q2 launch. Sonam, I think, is going to be doing way better than Golem, and I think Sonam is cheap under $1. It has a fantastic use case. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Do you guys always broadcast at 1 a.m. EST? No, Ranil Patel, I do not. I usually do it a little earlier, but today it was a little late. I apologize for that. Let me know if this time is working well for you guys, because I want to maximize the viewership here and making sure that I'm answering as much of the viewers' questions here. And my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, by the way. Smash that like button if you do like the content here. Know about Call ICO. Actually, before I do anything, I just want to boast a little bit, because there was I think my name is Craig Grant. This is my Bitcoin wallet. Not Craig Grant, actually, but that was his username. And he gave me flack about this, and I just wanted to show him what happened here. He gave me flack about this yesterday, and he was like, hey, this is garbage. What are you talking about? And I said, hey, let's buy right here. This is a good time to buy. And guess what happened yesterday, guys? Yep, we surged here in Civic, but again, everything surged, so I can't pat myself on the back. Can't pat myself on the back too much. So it's interesting to see. Civic, and I'm just reading you guys' comments. And again, I have like 5 different platforms, so I'm streaming too. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I know it's a Monday, and I hope hopefully you guys don't have to work too much, and we all go to the moon together, right? But take it easy, guys. Don't work too hard. I think moon missions are more and merry to come. If you're watching this, congratulations, guys. Pat yourself on the back. You're an early adopter. I say this every stream, but I really mean it today. I mean, we're seeing triple-digit gains. So absolutely awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Let's go back. Let's just go back to cryptosonic.com and give it a nice little refresh here. So we're sitting at 19K on Bitcoin. Ethereum at 840. Wow. Let's just go over the 24-hour change here. QTOM still, wow. Sonam 65% up. Now, we've been shilling QTOM Sonam a long time, and if you were in the Moon Lounge, you saw that BitBay call a week ago saying to pick up at 500 sats. We're doing fantastic right now, guys, and, you know, it's important right now to take profits. You know, don't be greedy with your money. And when I mean take profit, I don't mean, you know, take into USD. Don't do all that. USD is a scam, right? Don't do that. But you should be taking profit into Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not saying all at once, but you should be staggering out some of your profits. Don't get greedy here, guys. You know that some of this price action is absolutely unsustainable, and we're going to continue going through the charts here, and we're going to go through Litecoin. We just went through Bitcoin. We just went through Ethereum. We will go through Litecoin now. You know, this is a little bit of a faster stream here. We're going to go through both LTC, USD, and LTC, BTC. Now, LTC, I said, was the strongest performer of the CME futures going forward here. Let's continue to look at this on the 4-hour here. 4-hour looking impressive on the USD indicator, USD pairing rather, and we may continue to surge upwards and onwards now. Our all-time high is 415. I think we could easily, I think exactly it's 420 if my memory recalls. And I think we could easily be seeing those numbers in the relative short term. I definitely think there is something imminent coming, some sort of correction, specifically for Bitcoin or altcoins in general. You know, we're like, let's just look at the market cap here, guys. Hold on. That market cap is $635 billion. We just hit 500 like last week, guys. $135 billion added. Again, this is a newcomer's market right now, right? This is anyone who's just watching now. This is for you, right? That you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Like, enjoy these gains. Enjoy these gains, and this is not the end. We're not even at $1 trillion. So we're going to continue going upwards and onwards, but it's important to keep a structured mindset and be taking profit occasionally and rebalancing and diversifying your portfolio. So if you're a medium risk or a high risk investor, you know, maybe 50% altcoins and the rest in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Or if you're high risk where it's like 70%, which is 30% in Bitcoin and Ethereum and 70% altcoins. Again, that's very, very high risk. I wouldn't recommend that. And I'm more medium to traditional. I mean, I try to keep 50% Bitcoin, Ethereum. I mean, today my QTOM has shot off, so I'm just like watching it. I'm just watching it, guys. I'm just watching it soar off, you know, saying, waving it goodbye. Like, hope you'll visit soon. Hope you'll visit the $30 range soon, so I can pick up more of you soon. But I'm just riding this roller coaster, guys, and I hope you are too. This is really great stuff coming out. All right. I don't know what that is. Okay. I don't know what that little shadow is, so apologies, guys, on the green screen. Okay, Cardano prediction, anyone? Cardano prediction, ADA, $5, 2018. Guys, one of the things that I really stress is to stay realistic and predictable. Now, Cardano has, I think it's 50 billion. Right now, it's $25 billion token supply, 25 billion token supply, so 25 billion tokens in circulation right now. I think exact number is 26 billion. That's an insane amount, guys. That's an insane amount of tokens in circulation. So $5 may be a little unrealistic here. And again, it's super unproven. And we'll continue to look at that. Let's go over ADA. Actually, let's go over LTC, BTC. I keep switching around these subjects here. Sorry, guys. So I said, let's pick up under 0.1. We're waving Litecoin goodbye as well. We're just saying, hey, Litecoin, it was fantastic to meet you. And we're just going to wave it goodbye until the next Bitcoin rally comes up. And guys, you better be taking profit into Bitcoin because you could smell it, right? It's in the air that the next Bitcoin rally is coming up. So make sure you guys are taking profit gradually, not all at once, guys. You don't want to be shorting while it's still going parabolic here, but it is important to, make sure you're taking some profits. And I want to keep stressing that, and I really hope so. All right. Thumbs up. Thank you guys on Instagram. Thank you guys on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am trying to keep up on your comments here, but a lot of comments going on today. All right. We're going to go through ADA. I mean, I think ADA is by far the most requested coin today. Not even QTUM. We're going to go over QTUM regardless because I'm holding it. We've been holding it on this channel for a while, so we have been exploding here. And we picked up on this channel at 2 cents. So congratulations if you are a long-term streamer. And another one of those calls is Wabi right now. And Sam just made a video about it. And we don't suggest anything. We're not financial advisors here. And sorry about the crazy hair, guys. Sorry. We don't suggest anything. We're not your financial advisors. We're not your legal advisors. But we've gotten good at determining development teams, marketing, use case, and strategizing with finding new and upcoming coins. And Sonam was one of those that we picked up at 8 cents, and now it's at 44. So we have a pretty decent track record here. And right now it's good to stagger in your order. So we're just getting our feet wet with Wabi, right? Just testing the waters. It is down today, so we're just testing the waters here. And it is important to look at. So we are at the 4 hour here. I don't know what this little white line is. Sorry about that. We're at the 4 hour right here. It's going to be interesting to see if we could maintain the Satoshi value. It is going to be interesting to see if we can maintain this Satoshi value. So I really, we're gonna predict that this is another all-time high here, and it may not be, but we're gonna draw a fib retracement regardless. All right, so this is a nice level here, and I drew it backwards like I always do. Remind me to drop from top down. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is super run up. This is I really don't feel like this price is sustainable, but we'll see. I'm not going to exit my position. This is not a time to exit your position when you see parabolic moves like this. Let's just look at it on the logarithmic scale. Oh, we are in the log scale. Wow, we were already in the logarithmic scale, and we were seeing parabolic movement here. So again, I don't really think this is sustainable at all. I won't be selling any of my ADA for the short term here. I will be setting my stop loss, though. Yes, I will be setting my stop loss, and that stop loss will be staggering stop loss. So I'll be selling about 10% as soon as I get onto a computer again, back onto a computer again, and I'll probably be selling a stop loss somewhere in this region here, around this 2,600 region here, and then again at that $2,000 region. I don't want to sell all again because I don't want to miss my moon mission. I mean, I'm sure some people were predicting the dip here. It's selling hard off here and then going back on. You don't want to do that. Just set your stop losses, guys. And the stop loss should take care or mitigate a lot of the risk, guys. I want to, if you don't know what a stop loss is, go take a look at our trading tips videos. Absolutely very key if you want to be a successful investor is A, be educated, B, set your stop losses. Just how it is. Kyber. So there's a lot of questions about Kyber as well. Whoa. Okay, let's go through Kyber. What am I doing? KNC. KNC onto Binance, and let's check out what Kyber's doing right now. Actually, I keep forgetting this. I got to pull up my chart first, and then I got to go to KNC. KNC. Let's check it out, guys. We're in the 2 hour. We are off to the races here. Doesn't look that great. Maybe I may be short selling some. Let me look at the hourly here. Doesn't look great, guys, in the immediate short term. You could swing trade this easily. If you're selling now, you could easily pick some up later. I think for the immediate short term, that hourly looks down. So I think we have hit our top here. And what's a good reentry point? What's a decent reentry point? Now, we're going to go back and look at these specific crosses here. So this is a highly deterministic point right here. Right, like this is essentially our breakout point here. So this is where it was traditionally at. So we're going to draw our fib retracement off that point. Okay. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Buy under that 12,000, guys. I'm going to write this down. 12K sats. Buy under 12K sats. Why? Why do I think buy under 12K sats, and why is it in dark gray? Who knows? But let's make that nice and bright and yellow. Buy under 12K sats. That's what I'm thinking, guys. That looks like a decent time for me to get back in. I still haven't sold any KNC, so again, this is very hypothetical stuff, but this is a decent indicator that, this is a parabolic turn over here. And why do I think that's going to happen? Let's just go back over to BTC USD. So in the 4 hour, not looking too great, but on the hourly, again, not looking that great, but it keeps bouncing off the support, and we're seeing this declining volume, right? We're seeing this almost uncertainty here, and let's actually pull this out to the 6 hour, and let's show you how the candles look here. So we saw an inverse hammer and then an immediate drop off. It's going to be interesting to see how the market will react to this huge altcoin boom. Huge altcoin boom. And we're seeing some descending volume here going forward. A lot less volume coming in on Bitcoin. That's worrying, right? If you're not worried, you should be worried, because that generally means that people are trading altcoins or buying into altcoins now. And there's not a lot of Bitcoin transactions happening at the moment. So this is a very strong indicator for me to start taking some profit. And again, this is completely up to you. I'm not your financial advisor, but this is a very interesting fact. Guys, if you like the content, smash that thumbs up. We'll be giving away some free crypto at the end of the stream, whether that be on Facebook, if you shared our Wabi video that just happened on Facebook, or Twitter. And it's all determined on a random number generator. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but it seemed like the right thing to do. Capacity has a potential in the VR field. I don't know if I fast forward through this. All right, LTC is going to the moon, 420, 550 by NYE. Possibly. Superheart.org. I remember you from yesterday. Congratulations for being in the stream yesterday. Hopefully you profited on that. Topher, hello. Q1, Q2 about Solum. So it's Sonum, SONM. Coins like Podcoin under 85. Do you really think these much coins are worth that much? No, I don't. I think Podcoin is a glorified pump and dump. Tron. So we're going to continue looking through these markets, and let me know if you have any particular questions, and I will go over them with you immediately. That's what we do on the stream. We help each other out. We get signals here. We give signals. We buy signals. We look at the charts, and we make sure that we're taking a traditional, a fundamental, and a technical approach to all things cryptocurrency related, right? All things cryptocurrency related. And one of the things that, if you're new to this channel, one of the things that you'll know about me is I'm a vastly ideological holder of cryptocurrencies. I'm a Bitcoin holder. I'm an altcoin trader. I think Bitcoin is the future. It hasn't been dethroned yet. I think Bitcoin is the future, and I'm not giving away my Bitcoin until it is mass adopted. That's just me, guys. That's just me. Welcome everyone. Thank you again for joining me. Let's keep going through the charts here. Okay, we're gonna look through Q-time and try to see what's going on with Q-time. I mean, I think there's a lot of wow. Okay, let's just bring it out to the daily. Again, I don't think we're at the all-time high yet. I don't believe on the Bitcoin charts. No, we are not. No, we are not. But again, I think we could easily hit that. If it's not today, eventually, right? I think QTUM's a fantastic project. Everyone should have some QTUM in their portfolio. Let's keep zooming through here. So that's a nice little indicator here. Let's zoom into the 1 hour. See if we get any nice little bottoms. Or yeah, I like that. Let's try another one. Let's chart out this parabolic move, and I don't like that dark blue, so we're going to change that to a yellow here. And we're going to change this to a nice bright green here. So, wow. That is impressive. Wow. What do you think, guys? You think we'll make a downturn? Let's look at the 30-minute, and let's see where we'll stop at. 30-minute crossing on the top here. Possibly some nice little short side here. Probably a huge wall here at 300. Let's go check that out. Actually, let's go to Coinigy and check that out. Actually, let's just go on to Bittrex. All right, Bittrex. Let's go check it out. If you guys haven't and you're wondering what website I'm using CryptoSignmet.com. Check it out, guys. We have a lot more free stuff coming out. We have an awesome portfolio tracker that's going to come out with you. It's going to come out for you guys, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be, desktop, mobile, in your dreams. No, just kidding. If you're awake as long as we are, maybe it'll be in your dreams. But let's check it. Let's check out the markets regardless here. I love this, guys. I mean, I love good days. I love reporting great news to you guys. This is one of the benefits about being in a bull market right now. If you caught our streams in September, we were all sulking like, when is this going to stop? China FUD. Oh no, And now we're just like, what is China FUD? Well, what did China banning ICOs or China banning exchanges really do? We're just watching everything look all the way to the future, to the moon here. So awesome stuff coming out here, guys. Let's look at the order books. That's why I really came to Bittrex, right? Wow, some decent resistance coming out here in QTUM. Saying, oh, wow, we missed a boat. Let's not miss a boat anymore. And some awesome things coming out of the QTUM camp. We've been predicting this, though, right? We've been accumulating QTUM. Me and Sam are staking it. Sam and I are staking QTUM right now as we speak. And we determined what the future was for QTUM, and we knew that it was a good project, and we knew that Patrick Dye wouldn't let this thing fail. Now, this is amazing because Patrick Dye's old project, BitBay, is also triple figures right now. That's right, triple figure gains right now. So congratulations to Patrick Dye. He is probably rich as hell right now. Patrick Dye, the founder of QTUM, and one of the old founders of BitBay. So he's probably having the best day of his life. So congratulations, Patrick Dye. All right, let's continue going through the charts here. All right, LTC, we already went through that. Tron, not much to analyze on Tron, to tell you the truth. It's just general partnerships. You better be buying, better off buying Verge, more bang for your buck. Julian, let's go check out Verge. I think that's a hot topic right now, right? Is it a shitcoin? Is it not a shitcoin? What is Verge? So we actually didn't break down from what I was thinking. Again, my stop loss never hit, so pretty fantastic here for me. But yeah, wow, look at that rally, guys. That is an insane rally. Are we still in logarithmic? No, we're not in logarithmic. My chart broke. My chart broke when I hit logarithmic. What am I looking at right now? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Take me off of this, please. That was spooky, guys. I'm sorry you had to see that. Let's continue going through this. I mean, what can I say about Verge? John McAfee tweeting, hey, this privacy is going to be good. Wraith protocol coming out soon. Is it warranted? Is this 5 cent mark warranted? Is it really worth this almost $1 billion market cap? Is it $1 billion right now? Let's actually take a look. What isn't $1 billion? Let's be real, right? What isn't $1 billion? So we're going to continue looking through this. BitShare is over $1 billion. That's insane to me. Where's Bittrex? Why did Bittrex delist BitShares? We want answers. No, we have answers. It's because running a full node is expensive, and BitShares is not very usable right now. I mean, I've tried to use BitShares. I'm all for decentralized exchanges, but that UI needs an upgrade, and there needs to be more usability. That's why I'm really excited about Kyber and BlockNet, and those are going to be released in 2018. So keep a lookout for that, guys. That's going to be big, big news. So Verge sitting at $930 million. $930 million. What do you say about that, guys? What do you say about that? So this is by far the biggest gainer I've ever had in my entire crypto career. I mean, I bought this as a shitcoin. I bought this when people were tossing Verge around with Dogecoin. And now they're coming out of the depths, right? They're coming out of the depths, and they're working their way onto the surface. And then somehow they landed on the moon. You know, maybe they weren't even on Earth. Maybe they were just deep inside the moon, and they're like, hey, we're on the moon now. You know, maybe that's it, guys. Sorry for the shitty analogies. But again, shitcoin, shitty analogies. I'm not selling any of mine. You know, if Wraith Protocol is real, I've heard a lot of rumors about Wraith Protocol. If you go into our cryptocurrency, if you're into this space, you know that Wraith Protocol is already a debatable hot topic subject here. We don't know if it's going to be real or fake or what's going on. But it's important. But it's important to know that you don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going to happen, and you need to set your stop losses. Please set your stop losses for Verge. I cannot beg you enough. Please do. So what's priced to buy tonight? Everything should... okay. So what's priced to buy tonight? Okay, we're going to look at some nice little buy predictions going on. Told you LTC is going to the moon, going to 420, 550 buy. Okay, we already read that. Am I going back? Steem, please. So let's go over Steem. Steem is another project by Dan Larimer. And I said yesterday that 2017 was the year of Vitalik. You know, the year of the rooster. Year of Vitalik, right? And now I think 2018 is going to be the year of Dan Larimer. I think BitShares is going to have some major upgrades. EOS is finally releasing EOS. Everyone's most anticipated project, probably, of recent history, right? I mean, insane runs by EOS. Delegated proof of stake, up to $10. Insane. Let's take a look at it. Guys, check out the website on cryptosonic.com and smash that like button, guys. Just destroy it. You know, give it a thumbs up. It really does help us on the YouTube channel. I know it may seem redundant, but that's all I'm asking from you guys is you know, check out the website and, you know, smash that thumbs up button. Share it on Facebook and Twitter if you want to win some free crypto. You know, that's for the people who want to actually win some money, but you know, if you are enjoying this content, I would really appreciate it if you did smash that like button. It really does help, you know, grow the channel. And, you know, that's what we primarily want to see, right? You know, everyone wants to get promoted at a job, and everyone wants to see your own work come to fruition. So I really appreciate it, guys. Do you like Stellar? I do like Stellar. I think Stellar is good. Let me just close out of Skype here. Sorry, guys. So I do like Stellar. Stellar is good. It's like Ripple, centralized currency. So keep your mind open and keep your eye open on that, guys. That it is a centralized currency. And we're going to continue looking at EOS. Whoop, this is not EOS. This is still Verge. Let's go to EOS. Sorry, guys. Wow. Okay. When will it stop? This was a perfect buy time right here. Right? Wow, this is a perfect buy time right here. I wish I would have caught it. But again, you know, you can't look at all the charts daily. But again, we try to. I think, wow, actually, we called that. Someone in the Moon Lodge actually called that. That's great. I didn't buy any. I'm already stocked up on my EOS. I bought under $1. I'm waiting for it to moon. I'm just waiting patiently, just saying, dear EOS, you know, continue to moon. It's already mooned. It's already doing great to me. If you're new to this space, I highly recommend checking out EOS. Wow, that's actually forming a nice little top there. Let's try to chart this out. See if we see some recent trends here. Wow. Okay, that's lining up quite nicely here. Top. That hourly is parabolic, guys. Stock up on EOS for Christmas, guys. That's all I could say. It's going to be a huge 2018. And I will go over Steam because my man here, what's his name? Stefan asked for Steam. Now, Stefan, if I'm correct, you joined us on the 24-hour live stream for charity. That was pretty cool. Thank you for joining us on there. Let's continue to look at Steam here. Steam BTC. What isn't popping off, guys? Honestly, you just go blind and just throw something. Now, you want to see how much things are popping off? Actually, let me show you this. It's kind of messed up, but I need to show you fix this. Only 3 cryptocurrencies were in the red. That was Tether, CryptoNext, and Bitcoin barely. Everything else in the top 100 is positive. Take profit. Take profit now. You should be laddering your orders. Please read investment books. You should be doing this. Do not be greedy. You will get hurt if you become greedy. Please, please, please. Okay. Steemit. Wow. I don't see this going up much farther. We've hit the top once, twice, 3 times in the last 3 hours. Let's continue looking at the 30 minutes. Yeah, you see those you see those wicks, right? Hold on, I'm not blind. Let me see. Let me on auto scale. Let me zoom in. So you see that 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, 4 top. That's looking like a very decent level of resistance here. We're gonna auto scale this back. Wow, I have a little bit of Steemit, and I'm probably going to take some profit. Probably going to take some profit on Steemit. I mean, it's looking very good indication. That's just too many tops. That's too many bounces off of resistance in a short time period for me to be happy about that. Yeah, I may take profit here. Again, this is not a buy opportunity, and we're going to continue looking at coins to see if there is a buy opportunity. I mean, it's getting harder and harder, right? But hey, check out Wabi, guys. Wabi's down right now, so check it out. And Modem, check out Modem as well. Actually, is Modem down? We bought last night. Actually, I suggested a friend here to buy Modem last night, and let's see how they did. Up 6%, not too bad. Again, that circulating supply is super low, and I love cryptocurrencies with low circulating supply. In Sam's Top 10 here, if you're looking at our website here, Sam's Top 10, just go ahead and go to the website, click on the Top 10 video, cryptosomniac.com, and you'll see that one of the coins that we did suggest is GVT is our top 10. Okay, now another fantastic low supply here. You might want to check that out, guys. Do you like Stellar? I do like Stellar. And of course, Genesis Vision. Of course, Genesis Vision. Who doesn't like Genesis Vision? Tronex, Civic, Salt, bought Mod, and Wabi this morning and sold for 10%. Nice, good gains, decent gains here. 88 in DGB. So we already went through 88. Please rewind that if you haven't. Typical amount is 1K. I don't know what I'm saying. Take profit, convert fiat, withdraw your dollars. No. If you're ideological like me, or you need to live, take out some dollars, obviously. Take out some dollars, obviously. You need to live, you need to eat, you need to clothe yourself. Take care of yourself first. Pay off your debts. Take care of your kids. Make sure you're up to date on your loans or your mortgage, or just make sure you take the Lannister method and pay your debts. Lannisters always pay their debts. So make sure you do that, guys. It's important. It's important to take profit once in a while. Don't get greedy, because this is gonna end bad for you if you're greedy. If you're gonna accumulate, keep accumulating. It's just not good. And one of the examples I love to show here is Neo. Now everyone's saying, wow, Neo popped off, Qton popped off, rejoice, everybody rejoice. But there's some poor guy out there that bought for way too much. And what let me just say this, guys, hold on. Why am I in Bitfinex? That's more important. Let's go to Neo. I want to go to Bittrex, Bitcoin Bittrex. Some poor guy bought over here. He's still at 80 to 60% loss. Some guy bought up here because you know what they did? They bought into the hype. They bought into the FOMO. Like, this thing's going to the moon. Is that what's going to happen with ADA? A completely unproven platform. Fantastic team. Fantastic demonstration that they gave me. No ICOs launched on it yet. Nothing to be worried about right now, right? For any of the Ethereum competitors. And I call them Ethereum competitors because they are competitors to Ethereum. Ethereum was the first, and now they're competitors to Ethereum. So what do you think, guys? You think it was smart to buy up here? Because you would have been at a substantial loss. And people bought into the hype here. People bought into the hype here. I mean, to tell you the truth, I should have sold off more than I actually should have. I mean, I should have sold off over here once I saw that this thing was in a decline, and the pump was already over. I should have seen that coming. But again, I held on. I hodled. Again, hodling is not a bad strategy. Don't get me wrong; it's not a bad strategy. But I am just now reaping a little bit of profits here, based on my investments at under $1 of Ant shares back in May and April. Again, I'm still up, but I could have been way more up, guys. And this is what happens when you're greedy. When you don't take profits on these massive booms, you know they're going to correct right back down, and we'll show you how they corrected. Let's just go fib by fib, guys. This is if you don't see it, you won't learn. And the biggest thing I want you guys to do here is just to learn and have a solid trading mentality and fundamentals. So let's just check it out. Fib retracement. This is an easy breakout, right? One, and hold on, and yeah, that's good. Right at the top here, and right here, and guess what? I didn't do it right. I have to. God damn it! I always make this mistake. I'm gonna make the mistake again too. All right. So we saw a breakout here, and what do you know? It consolidated at the 618 level, right? So that would be a decent time to buy. Again, we don't know if we've seen a top yet for Bitcoin. I mean for Neo. Actually, let's just draw a new one, right? And let's not extend that. Why is it? Let's trend level, extend lines. No, we don't want to extend that. So, and we're going to keep drawing more ones, right? So you get a full picture here. And I keep, God damn it. All right, from bottom to top, guys. Bottom to top. Remember that. All right. And it actually broke down below its level of 618. That's not very good, right? All right, which way is it? Bottom. I'm already wrong. Top to bottom. Classic. And we're still down again. It's worrying to me that people are getting so greedy and they're saying, "Yeah, I'm gonna hodl ADA until I get old." You know, you could do that, or what you could do is you could not be so greedy and you could sell off and you could start laddering off some profits while it's still nice and high on the BTC scale, because this is what matters, guys. This is what matters. You would have been so far up. I would have been so far up if I would have sold up here. I took some profit. I took 10, 15%, but it should have been more like 20, 30, 40. I mean, that's just a sad fact of it. I accumulated more Neo from this right here than any other hump and pump and dump and any sort of day swing trading going on. All I had to do was buy my time, and then I said, "Hey, let's buy Neo here," and I bought some Neo right back here with a substantial amount of Bitcoin I earned here. And if you're learning, if you're just joining us on this stream, and you're saying, "Hey, say you didn't earn that, you just traded that." No. If you're on this stream, you're watching this, it's probably what? It's 2 a.m. on the East Coast. It's 2 a.m. on the East Coast, 11 p.m. here in Los Angeles. You earned this, guys. You're early adopters. When there's a lot of naysayers going on, we bought Bitcoin at under 10,000. We bought Ethereum under 1,000. That's what they're going to start saying next year. I bought Ethereum at under 1,000. What did you guys do with 2017? I bought Neo at whoops. 1 second here, guys. I bought Neo at under $70. You could say that. I bought Neo under $70. I bought Qtum under, it's really run up right now, so I wouldn't suggest buying Qtum right now, but it's a fantastic project. I know it's going to do well. With adoption, with market adoption, I know Qtum's going to do well. Neo, I'm not too sure about, but again, I'm still really bullish on it, considering the partnerships and what Dahongfei is. Dahongfei is by far more eloquent than Patrick Dai. Sorry, Patrick Dai, if you're watching this. One of the co-founders actually did watch one of our streams and was like, "Hey, you got to correct this information about Qtum." So, cool stuff going out there. So, if you're watching this, this was not a diss or anything, but it's about investment for us, right? Excuse me. It's about the bottom line for us. As much as I like the technology, as much as I believe in Qtum over Neo right now, it's about marketing. It's about partnerships. It's about all these dApps being launched onto Qtum and Neo. And that's going to be a big factor for me. It's going to be a big factor for me. All right, let's keep going through it. Neo. So did we go over? We're actually on Neo right now. Okay. All right, we're at Neo right now. This is perfect. Neo looking like, ooh. Let's draw some trend lines. See if there's anything we could spot. It's always important to draw trend lines. Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't checked it out, let's just go to youtube.com. And we'll do Sleepless, Cryptosomniac. And which one is live? Okay. Well, I guess none of them are live right now. That's a problem. All right, we're going to have to go fix that later, but we'll get that right back up live. But it's a 24-hour live stream, or was 24-hour live stream, and you get to chat with us there. I mean, we have fantastic indicators. We try to update the trend lines and see what's going on every single day. So just type in Sleepless Cryptosomniac, subscribe to us, and we'll get that stream up in a jiffy right after this stream, actually. I'll actually end up doing that, so pretty cool stuff. All right, let's keep going through the charts here. Again, let's actually draw these trend lines like we promised here, and this is how you should be coming at it, guys. We do take one-on-one appointments. If you do want to pick our brains on a more private basis, me or Sam and I, go check out our website, and it's under products and it's on Set More. So if you do want to do that, spend some of your crypto gains to kind of, if you want to pick our brains or see what's coming up in the future. We're also coming out with a newsletter, an awesome. We hired 6 writers. We're going to be doing in-depth technical reports, in-depth and technical analysis, announcements, everything that you possibly need to know about the crypto markets coming up. And yeah. So pretty much, guys. Let's check it out. And what am I looking at right here? What am I looking at right here, guys? I am looking at Neo, and I'm looking at a trend line. But what am I expecting to see right now? I am looking right now, and this is what I'm seeing. Seeing that? I'm seeing a slightly higher. Whoa, that was ugly. Don't judge me. I'm seeing a slight. What is happening? What is happening? This is not what I want. Okay, let's check it out. All right. Obviously, we take what we could get here. So we're not gonna blame TradingView for this. TradingView has been good to us, so we're gonna just draw this. Okay, this is the best hump I could draw, guys. This is supposed to be a hump, and so we have a slightly higher high, and we have a slightly lower high. And what I'm expecting is a smaller high. And that's what do we call that? That's called a head and shoulders pattern. And if you don't believe me, just type in head and shoulders pattern, and you'll find an Investopedia link, and you'll be able to determine if this is actually a head and shoulders pattern. And it absolutely does look like that right now. And we're going to look at the 4-hour, more macro scale. I'm thinking we head back down. This is not a bad time to profit take again. But again, you should not be profit taking NEO right now. I think I'm bullish enough on it to start setting stop losses. Looks like you're asking me to sleep. People should worry about to secure their cryptos instead of asking what is the best exchange. Yes, absolutely. If you don't know how to secure your cryptocurrencies, I'll say two things. Nano Ledger, paper wallet. Nano Ledger, which is a hard wallet. Paper wallet, which means your private keys are in your possession and you own them. Exchanges are very vulnerable to getting hacked, so please be aware of that. Nano Ledger S, I swear by it. I love that thing. All right. No, I do not have ADA, NEO, or ATA. Where do you think ADA is going? So we're going to continue. We're going to, if there's a lot of questions about ADA, and I mean, there should be. I mean, if you picked up at 2 cents like we did on this stream, you're sitting comfortable here at 55, 60 cents. So there is no indication that we will see an immediate drop off right now. We're in the 4-hour right now, and there's nothing too big of an indication here. And we're going to look at the 1 hour. Even the 1 hour doesn't look like it's too bad, but we may be seeing a slight head and shoulders, but I doubt it, guys. I really do doubt it. I will set my stop loss. This is important to take a look at. We don't know when the bottom is going to be. Anyone who tells you that ADA is going to drop right here, right now, they're just guessing. These are all predictions, and there's not a lot of data here going along with ADA specifically, because this is an all-time high, right? We're seeing parabolic turns here, and we just saw that in the logarithmic chart. So, yep, guys. Let me know if you guys have any other last-minute questions, and we'll be closing out the stream tonight. And I actually want to go through the dollar under coins, just in case anyone was joining us late here. And we're gonna look at these under $1 here. So XRP doing fantastic, and Cardano. We've been stressing Cardano, and it's at an all-time high right now. We just went over the NEO charts, and we saw NEO popped off, and it's been dumping for 5, 6, 7 months now. So is that what we're going to see for Cardano? I'm not saying that's what we're going to see for Cardano, but it's peculiar to see what's going on, right? So let's check out XRP, BTC. And I think XRP USD is a little bit better because, again, it's a more centralized approach, and of course USD is centralized. So let's check out XRP. So the 2 hour looks fantastic. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour, wow, that looks fantastic. That's confirmation that we're going up and onwards here. But again, set your stop losses. This looks like a very nice resistance level. So that around that 3,500, 3,600 Satoshi mark is a decent stop loss for XRP. You want to make sure you're securing those profits. Now, let's draw another example for XRP. Anyone who was greedy, holding on to their XRP, I feel bad for you. All right, EOS is having a drop. Let's look at it quickly, and we're going to go over OMG. Yeah, we'll definitely go over OMG. But I just want to point this out before we go over EOS. Apparently, there's some price action happening in EOS. I've set my stop losses, so I'm happy. Now, Ripple, you are down. Let's see how many percent you are down. If you got greedy on EOS, even if you were buying up here, if you got greedy, let's see. You are down 75%, guys. Now let's reverse that. Let's see how much of a price increase we need to get back to that location. You need a 300% rise to get back to that BTC level. It's a rough stretch, guys. That's a lot of groundwork to work through. I'm not saying it can't happen, but don't be greedy. Let's go over EOS. Let's pull up this 30-minute. Apparently, it's seeing a nice little drop here. I'm not seeing any indication of a drop here. Let's go over EOS XBT. Maybe on Kraken it looks a little bit different. I'm not seeing anything. And guys, I don't know if you noticed this, but it was creating a descending wedge. What is a descending wedge? So let's just look through this real quick. I'm not making these terms up, like head and shoulders, descending wedges, and people are like, "Ah, Snake, you're just making shit up at this point." I'm just like, nah, these are true things. So a descending wedge is by far, guys, descending wedge is by far the most clear-cut symbol of a reversal. I think it's one of the most accurate tools. So you're seeing all this. So descending trade line. So you're seeing lower and lower highs and lower lows. But you're seeing them consolidate at the same time. So you're seeing them squeeze low. Those candles get lower and lower and lower. And the bigger time frame, the more confirmation you could get. And we're looking at this clear-cut example here. You could have bought down here, guys. We bought down here. What were you guys doing, right? Anyone who's not watching the stream, you just say, hey, I bought EOS down here. But again, we're not seeing any sort of price fluctuation here on EOS. I don't know what's going on. Yes, EOS. Everyone was saying something about EOS. Okay, let's go over OMG. OMG, saying OMG is my. When I get bored, I accumulate OMG. You should never trade out of boredom, but that's how confident I am on OMG. Again, I'm not your investment advisor. Don't. This is not gospel, right? Don't go going home and like, hey, Snake told me to buy this at this price, and I'm going to be buying this at this price. No, do your research, guys. An educated investor is a good investor. Remember that. Buy OMG at support. We bought OMG at support. It hit once, it hit twice. We bought OMG at support, and then it kind of ran off, right? It ran off. We can't even catch it at this point. Wow. And what does this look like, guys? Hold on. Why does it keep doing that? Tighten that up. It's gonna be a parallel channel, maybe a reverse wedge. I obviously TradingView doesn't want to work with me right now. Oh, there you go. That's still looking okay. I'm not shorting this. I think this deserved price action. I want to shorten this. But again, I think like if you look back and you wanted to be greedy on OMG as well, you would have been hammered. Don't get greedy, guys. Take some profit. Always good to hold some BTC. And if you miss an opportunity, there's always one around the corner. Remember that, guys. ETC chart, please. Gotta go. This was a good stream. Thank you. Smash those thumbs up, guys. We're going to be giving away... we're going to go over ETC. Milano is yelling about it. So we're going to go over ETC one last time. And actually, let's go over the Facebook comments. If there's any Facebook comments here. ENT 80. Yeah, we covered ADA. EOS around February. Predictions for EOS around February. The moon. I think EOS is going to go to the moon. One of my strongest coins that I have going on. And we're going to go over ETC, and we're going to give away some free cryptocurrency. So stick around for that. Again, go ahead and share this video, or share Sam's Wabi video on Twitter. It's pinned to the top, or Facebook. And we'll randomly select somebody right now, today. First day listening. Nice stream. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe. Like us on Facebook. Share us on Facebook to win some free crypto, and retweet us and to win some free crypto. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe. Hit that little bell, and you'll know when I'm coming online, guys. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's actually go through ETC. Not the biggest bull on ETC. I'm just going to... That's just a disclaimer right here. I mean, if you would have held on to ETC right now, I feel bad for you. You missed all those runs, guys. You missed all those runs. I mean, if you're in it for the long haul, congratulations, but I don't see any value in ETC. This is not even looking great. This isn't even looking great. I mean, we're looking like we're going to bounce off this upward trending support here. Are we going to bounce off that upward trending support? Yeah, I think we did. I think we're headed down right now. All right, well, that sucks. ETC sucks. Is that what I'm reading? Hold on. Profit take into ETH or BTC. They're both good. I think BTC and ETH both have room to rise, but right now I'd say BTC. Maybe tomorrow I'll say ETH. I think you should be splitting your portfolio accordingly. I have most of my funds in BTC and ETH, I think, and LTC. I think LTC is another great hedge, great little bet that you have going on. So really, really appreciate it, guys. And let's give away some free Kyber now. I think you guys have deserved it. Did you already go over Strat? Wow. I actually have not gone over Strat, and I lied to you. So let's go over Strat, and then we'll give away some free cryptocurrency. So Strat, we bought somewhere around here, guys, and it's kind of taking off. But Strat, again, one of those long-term hodls going on. Let's check out the 4-hour here. Long-term hodl going on. Hitting those supports. Trending support. Let's see. We'll see with the wallet releases. I'm not sold on Strat. I'm not sold on Lisk either, but I hold both regardless as hedges. I've taken plenty of profit from them, and now I'm just holding it on to them for another moon mission. Then I'll take some more profit, or I'll see if it's a legitimate moon mission. If the release is good. Now Stratus, on the other hand, Stratus is C#. You're only able to program on C#. Lisk is Java. So Java and JavaScript notation. Me and Sam are both engineers here, and we both went to school for engineering, and we're pretty heavy programmers ourselves. So it's good to see the technology. We invest in technology. All of our coins are eventually, I think, are going to do good, and that's why we invest in them, right? And we don't invest in shitcoins. I mean, I invest in shitcoins. I mean, Verge was my shitcoin, but look how well that did, right? Amazing. Disclaimer: amazing. So yeah, just keep in mind, keep an eye on for that, guys. PPT, Populous PPT. PPT had a massive run up, and I think it's time for it to shrink down here. ADX is good too. Excuse me. ADX is good too. But I really appreciate all the comments, guys, and yeah, let's give away some free cryptocurrency. All right. So I have Twitter open, and I'm going to give this a refresh here. $20 retweets. That's amazing, guys. Thank you so much for retweeting. And wherever Sam's video is, hold on. Actually, I think it should be posts here. All right. Let me just. So reshare my video, and Sam will give out some free videos. Free crypto tomorrow on his video. So we have 13 shares here. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Random number generator. Okay. So one. I'm gonna click this once. 1 for Facebook, 2 for Twitter. Actually, I don't like that it's already at 1. So 2 for Twitter, 3 for Facebook, 1 for reroll. Okay, 2 for Facebook, 3 for Twitter, 2 for Facebook, 3 for Twitter, and we reroll. And we reroll. And we hit Facebook. Okay, so 2 for Facebook. Okay, let's do this. Facebook.com. All right, and let's see how many shares there actually are. Good Lord. Okay. let's see. We have 1. So Sam doesn't count. He doesn't get any free crypto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, wow. So some people have their privacy settings. They have their privacy settings on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 actually. So guys, turn off your privacy settings or allow this to be public, because I can't see your shares if you actually shared. I do apologize for that, but guys, if you're sharing and no one can see, I can't even see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just wanted to double check, and we'll do 1 through 5 here. Remember, Sam doesn't count. Number 5 wins. Who's number 5? Let's see. Let's go back to number 5. It's not on internet, I promise. I think it's Facebook. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noel BTC, we will reach out to you. We will hunt you down and give you some free crypto. So really appreciate everyone liking the stream and giving all your comments. I really appreciate it. I do it for you guys, and I really do appreciate it. Like this stream. Throw me a thumbs up. It really does help us. If you did like the content, go over to cryptosomniac.com and reshare us on Facebook and Twitter, and you'll be eligible next time. And thank you so much for participating in the free crypto giveaway. This is Snay here at Cryptosomniac. Thank you guys so much. Big announcement for EMC2. I know, guys. I'm ready. I don't know what they're going to do, but they've just been hyping up this announcement for EMC2. I don't know what it's going to be, but we'll find out. And I'm sorry I got off topic here, but thank you guys so much for watching. And we do this every night, so really appreciate it. Peace out, y'all.